Welcome viewers, starting with New Zealand welcomed the arrival of 2026 with a fireworks display launched from Auckland's Sky Tower. The fireworks show started in fact with a 10-second countdown projected on the base of Auckland's 328-meter tall Sky Tower, followed by fireworks illuminating the night sky. Now, according to organizers, the fireworks launched from 3 levels on Sky Tower, sending about 3,500 firework shots around the tower and soaring 80 meters above the tower. Now, the display lasted 5 minutes with more than 500 kilograms of pyrotechnics launched from the Sky Tower, and the Auckland Harbour Bridge also illuminated. Australia too lit up the sky over the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge. In fact, the celebrations were tempered by sadness as well as the nation reflected on the Bondi Beach attack that happened on 14th of December, in which about 15 people were killed. Sydney Harbour fell silent for a minute with crowds holding lights to remember the victims of Bondi Beach attack. In fact, a Jewish menorah was also projected onto the pylons of the Harbour Bridge as part of the remembrance. Now, thousands gathered in front of the Taipei 101 Tower as well as Taiwan welcomed the start of 2026.
新年快乐！这个开场段落的主题是大航海时代，音乐是由詹维权的《勇者启程》来带出，轻快的节奏起航，描绘勇者扬帆，影响未知旅程的壮丽画面。旋律充满探索与前行的力量，搭配烟火明亮多彩的开场效果，加上在天空绽放的微笑。
是的，请大家把握这个时间。 拿出你的手机相机，或是用你的双眼见证这一刻，我们迈向2026年啦！现场的朋友们，我们不畏风雨，在2026年的第1分钟，迎接灿烂的烟火。
Now, Taiwan's tallest skyscraper lit up the sky with dazzling fireworks as the clock struck midnight. The firework display lasted a total of 6 minutes and was accompanied by music and a light show. Now, held for the first time in 2003, the Taipei 101 fireworks display has become one of the most watched events on television in Taiwan and is known for drawing a huge crowd of spectators to streets every year.
让我们一同感受这片土地、这座城市蓬勃的生命力。
Now let's move on to China. This year, New Year celebrations in the country mark the arrival of the Year of the Fire Horse. President Xi Jinping said in his New Year speech, historical trend of China's reunification is unstoppable. She added that people in China and Taiwan are both bound by blood ties thicker than water. And now viewers, let's take you to Thailand. The island nation stepped into 2026 with a countdown and an eco-friendly fireworks display that lit up the Bangkok sky. Now the show, which spanned about 1,400 meters across the Chao Phraya River in the heart of the Bangkok. Also included a 4D aerial performance, a fusion of drone and pyrotechnic displays under the theme In Eternity, reference to honor the late Queen Mother who passed away in October. Now, in other parts of Bangkok, people also gathered at shopping malls along with river to watch the fireworks light up the city's skyline, offering a view from across the river.
Ladies and gentlemen, Happy New Year to everyone here.
สวัสดีปีใหม่ทุกท่านนะคะ
祝大家新年快乐，身体健康，平平安安，新年快乐！
Now, in fact, Qatar's New Year Eve was also marked with fireworks and a drone show that kicked off the new year in the Lusail city of the country.
والأمل والبدايات الجديدة. نعم 2026 وصلت، ها نحن نستقبلها بحرارة كبيرة وبنجاح.
Now, in Dubai as well, people watched fireworks from the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, following a performance with light displays, some music and water jets. Now, Kenya also welcomed in the new year with the fireworks display in the capital and near Nairobi's Old Mutual Tower. Late on Wednesday, Kenyans are waiting around late into New Year's Eve for the upcoming festivities voiced their hopes for a better 2026 for themselves and their country. Fireworks illuminated the sky over the ancient Acropolis Hill as well. A colourful fireworks also display light up the ancient monuments and Parthenon temples on the Acropolis as thousands of people celebrated New Year Eve in Greek capital. Now, Greece's ancient temple on Acropolis also had a quiet New Year with limited fireworks to ring in 2026. The mayor of Athens said the city would use silent, environmentally friendly fireworks, citing concerns over the distress caused by loud displays to pets, animals and people sensitive to noise. France too celebrated New Year 2026 with spectacular display of fireworks. Thousands cheer, bringing all the New Year spirit to France as they welcome the New Year 2026 and say goodbye to 2025. Celebrations are marked by spectacular fireworks. And viewers, this is how countries across the world welcomed this New Year 2026 and bid goodbye to 2025 with a lot of good music, fireworks, lighting up the skies across the world and people joining in the celebrations to ring in the new year.